Hi, welcome to Davidson's of Newcastle. This is a YouTube video of our Toyota CHR. This is a 1.2 XL automatic. LED daytime run lights, front fog lights, front park sensors, 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass at the rear, full heated leather, and the large screen at the top for radio display, Bluetooth, satellite navigation. Out to the back we've got rear park camera and rear park sensors. All-wheel drive, protected road liner, nice size boot and split rear seat. Isofix archer points on both outer seats. And that's us back round to the front. For any further information, please contact Brendan on 0191 266 593.